Yes, we'll be finished in just a minute.
What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at the show.
Aerosmith from like 15 years ago.
I love the manager.
Yeah, she's usually like this.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please get in the car.
What about my tour group, lady?
Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
What am I, chopped liver?
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey, Steven, how about some backstage passes, man, huh?
Wait a minute. I love that idea.
Here you would,
How
bud.
about some backstage passes?
Come on.
Yeah.
Make it happen. Give me some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you. Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch.
Better recount that.
In fact, make it a super stretch.
That's more like it.
Great. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car.
Where's that?
Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. You guys.
All right, guys, Aerosmith said it best. Walk this way, all the way forward. Keep up with the party in front of you guys at all times. You guys have already heard of my design out there, and if you don't want to miss a thing, we're gonna keep grouping people and sending them to rock on.
Chase the Muppets.
Why would Muppets ever be this fast?
Electric Man. Dr. T, the rock and roll band. That's fun.
Michael, have you ever been to Carolyn?
No, I have not.
All right,
It'll be fun, though, I promise.
Taking the stage. Whoa, check out Steven Tyler's hat. Okay, Ellie, crank it up, because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast.
You ready? Woo!
Not them. You're thinking for him. I'm not us. You think it's wrong on? Okay. Yeah.
this so much.
Alex, are you alive? That was actually not as bad as I thought. I was not surprised.
So I wasn't. So
Oh my
Viana,
god, I didn't take anyone showing on this. I was so not surprised.
Viana, I was not gonna tell you this until afterwards. This is the only coaster that's ever made me nauseous.
It's the only coach that's ever made me nonchalant.
No, nauseous.
Not nauseous.
This is the only one that's ever made me nauseous.
So this is the only one that makes me nauseous.
Yeah.
Exit to your right and walk this way.